Hello everyone, my name is Jillian Kit Santiago from BSHM Block 14. In this video, I'll be reacting to an IoT related video I watched on YouTube, which explores Internet of Things. IoT or Internet of Things refers to everyday objects connected to the Internet, allowing them to collect, share, and act on data without human intervention. Let's talk about the advantage of IoT and disadvantage of IoT. Advantage of IoT. Convenience. IoT makes life easier automatic tasks. For example, smart thermostats adjust temperatures based on our preferences. The second one, efficiency. Business use IoT for tracking inventory, reducing waste, and improving logistics. Safety and security. IoT devices like smart security, cameras and monitors, sensors, enhance home security. Let's talk about the disadvantage of IoT. Privacy risk. The first one. IoT devices collect large amount of data, raising about hacking and unauthorized access. The last one, cybersecurity threats. Hackers can exploit vulnerabilities in connected devices, leading to potential security breaches. Dependency of the Internet. Most devices require a stable internet connections, making the unreliable during outage. Personally, I think IoT is incredibly useful, especially for home automations and healthcare applications. However, I would be cautious about using IoT devices to require sensitive data like smart locks or health monitors due to potential security risk. In the future, I believe IoT will continue to evolve, making our lives more efficient, but also requiring better security measures. To sum up, IoT offers many benefits, but it also comes with risk. It's important to be aware of cybersecurity threats while enjoying the convenience it brings. What do you think about IoT? Would you use it in your daily life? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found my insight helpful. Bye!